Hi everyone and welcome back to Sonia's Prep. Today is such an awesome and exciting video for me. I have been working on a little project, and if you're following me on Instagram, then you probably already know about it. I've been working on an ebook for a few weeks now, and I finally put it together and put it on Etsy. And I'm very excited to introduce you to it today. It's my Rosh Hashanah ebook that I have worked really hard on, and I've compiled a few things here. And it's all really thanks to you. I wouldn't have done it without you guys, without your encouragement, without your messages, without you rooting for me. So I just wanted to come on here and say thank you. Thank you for all of you guys who have already ordered a copy, and you guys are leaving me such nice feedback. Thank you so much. Let's roll up our sleeves and let's get prepping, and I'll dive into the ebook a little bit more. So to start, I'm going to give you a little bit of an overview of what you'll find in the ebook. I have the obvious, like about the author, the table of contents, and I have a let's start here page of how I would start to plan for Rosh Hashanah, what I do first to make it seamless and streamlined. I also included a Rosh Hashanah candle lighting, a blessing for what to say on the first night and what to say on the second night for Rosh Hashanah. And I also included a simanim page. Simanim is our the things that we eat on Rosh Hashanah. So we make a blessing, like a symbolic blessing on each of the fruits that we consume and vegetables. And it's an omen, a good omen for us to have a good sweet new year. So all of that is here that I made. I also wanted it to be very seamless for you. So I included a menu plan, really beautiful menu plan that I have jotted down the mains, the starters, the appetizers, and the desserts. But I know that every single family has their own way of hosting and planning. So I included a menu guide that you can pre-populate on your own for each and every single night of Rosh Hashanah. I included one for the first and second nights and the first and second days. So hopefully that will be helpful for you guys. Another thing that I included is a guest list. So I have this page here for every single night and day of Rosh Hashanah that you can pre-populate who you want to call. So I tried to make this ebook very easy to use, functional, and you guys can, oh, I didn't mention, a lot of people I think are confused that you could actually print an ebook out. So it's a digital download, but you could actually print it out like I did, and you could laminate it. I just printed it out and I put it into these plastic, what do they call, sheet covers. I would have preferred to get it laminated. I just didn't have the time before shooting this video. And when you laminate it or put it in sheet cover, you could actually just write over this with an erasable marker, and then you could reuse these, which is awesome and great. I also wanted to include a shopping list for Rosh Hashanah. So you go through the produce, the frozen baking fish, dairy, pantry, drinks, sections of it. And I also included an empty one for you guys in case you want to make it your own and you don't want to use what I have, but I gave you a big idea of what I would buy. The next thing that I was really excited to include is an actual cooking and planning calendar. A lot of you guys love to get the breakdown of how I would do everything. So it starts 2 weeks before what I would do, 1 week before, 3 days before, all the way up to the day of, and things not to forget. So I included that for you. And then I have 8 recipes that I've included from my previous Rosh Hashanah video. So you have the fish over here, the chicken, the stuffed onions. I have a side dish of carrots and potatoes, 2 salads, and a dessert that I included in here. So as you can see, I am so super excited. I put my heart and soul into it, and I hope you guys really enjoyed. I hope it makes your Rosh Hashanah planning so much more smoother and easier. And I'll leave the link to everything down below in the description box, and I hope you enjoy it. Happy Rosh Hashanah from my family to yours.